Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be going through my makeup collection. In this case, for today's video, we're going to be going through a certain part of my makeup collection. All these videos are going to have the same intro, same outro, just a different video in between, I guess. I'm going to keep filming this an intro for each video when we're doing the same thing anyway. So we're going to start off with foundations, concealers, primers for the first day and end with eyeshadows. And this is going to go from the month of October through the month of November. On Thursdays, I'm going to be uploading makeup collection videos of all types throughout my collection and stuff. So if that interests you, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it. I own a lot of drugstore makeup, so if you like that, you know. And I do upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. There's also going to be a playlist down below to my makeup collection videos if you want to catch up, or if you want to look at some past ones. I do have a couple older ones down there, so if you're interested in that, it's in the description box below. But other than that, let's just get right into it. Okay, so we are going to go through this section right here because we did tackle all of this in last Thursday's video, and we are going to go over like some mascara situation, the brows. So let's get started. We're going to go through all of this. I'm first going to kind of sort it out by category, liners, lip liners, all that, and then we're going to get started. Okay, so I kind of feel like going through these with you guys. These are all my brow products. The first one here is from AOA Studio, and this is the Wonder Brow in the shade Dark Brown. And that is how dark brown looks. This is actually a really beautiful product. I really enjoy using this. I just love how my eyebrows look. They look really filled in and it spreads out really nicely. It's not too intense, which is what I thought a brow pomade would be like, but once you spoolie it out, it looks really nice and it's just a good product, so definitely recommend this. The next eyebrow product is one that came in my Beauty Treats box, and this is by Second Love. This is their eyebrow gel in espresso brown. This one isn't the best like color match for my eyebrows. My brows do tend to look a little brown when I put this on, but it still looks good. So this is nice, especially when I pair it with a brow gel that I'm gonna talk about in a little bit. And the brow gel does like deepen it up a bit. So yeah, but this is a really nice formula as well, so definitely recommend this as well. All pomades, honestly, they're nice. Like I love pairing them with my eyebrow pencils. I feel like they just look, it looks good. So again, this is an espresso brown. It is, I wish they would have sent me like a darker color or something, but this is nice. It's a nice product. The next eyebrow product is one that I recently talked about, and this is my Amuse Brow Perfecting Duo, and this is in dark, and it's a really nice product. It's kind of like a pomade in the sense where you need another kind of like brush to apply it with. It is a powder form. It fills your brows in really nicely. I like to mix both shades together, and I feel like my brows look really great when I use this. So this is definitely one of my favorite products so far, like for brows. And also pairing this with a brow pencil just makes my brows look amazing. So this is definitely one of my favorite products to reach for, along with the Wonder Brow. Both of these are amazing, and both of them are $1, super cheap. This next product actually was accompanied by this. Yeah, so these two came together. This is a Elite brow. It came in a brow kit, and we get this like pencil, which I thought was really nice. I haven't used these on camera, but this is a really nice product. It's by Elite Beauty. I actually bought this at the 99-cent store, and as you can see, you get like this brow highlight situation. You get this powder and 2 really dark shades. So these are really nice. I look forward to using them in upcoming videos and stuff. They're nice. I just haven't really featured them, so I don't really remember how well the formula is, but I do own 2 of these. And then as for brow pencils, I own this one by EBIN NY, which is actually almost out. It's the one in natural black. It's a really nice pencil. I really enjoy using this, and you get kind of like this teardrop shape. Oh no, I think it's running out. Oh no, wait, there's more in there. Oh, okay, good. It's a really beautiful product. So this is one that I always purchase. I repurchase. It's an amazing product, so definitely recommend. And this shade is perfect for my eyebrows, so really recommend that product, as well as the Slim Brow from the Amuse site. Another really beautiful product. I love using this. I just feel like my brows look so good when I use this. And again, I use mine in ebony. I feel like I'm always talking about this product, but it's so good. Definitely recommend it. And it comes in various colors as well. Sticking with brows, I'm going to talk about the LA Colors brow gel that I purchased at my local Family Dollar. It is a clear brow gel, so let me show you. It's like a really nice product. I really have been enjoying this, opposed to my other brow gel that's from Remy Rose. I like this when I have like eyebrow products that don't really match my eyebrows, because the color itself is in brown, but it's like this really deep brown. So it deepens up my eyebrows. But the only thing is that it dispenses so much product that my brows get a little too dark. So I do end up having to wipe some away before using this. So I would recommend the LA Colors one because it is clear, but you can't really over apply this. And the Remy Rose is good if you get your shade correct. But I have really been gravitating towards more clear brow gels. I feel like it's easier and it's more like goof proof than like pigmented brow gel. So yeah, these two are nice. Both of them are $1, but I would recommend the LA Colors one more. I just feel it's better. So I have a couple lip liners from EBIN New York. As you can see, I love these. I always rave about them. I have one in taupe, and this is burgundy red, and I think this is brunette. I love these products. They're so good. I love EBIN New York in general. I feel like their products are really high quality, but it's super inexpensive. These pencils are only $125, which I think is so amazing, especially because I go through lip liners really quickly and I gravitate towards all of these shades all the time. So definitely worth the buck. Like, I love it. I also have a discount code down below if you want to purchase them on their website. You get 15% off if you use the code or the link down below. And it's just so beautiful. I love these products, so I always rave about them because they're just that good. Two of the LA Colors Auto lip liners. I purchased one of them at like Dollar Tree and the other one was on the Amuse site. And these are nice. They tend to be a little dry for me opposed to the EBIN ones. Those really do glide on the lips really nicely. Whereas these, it does take a little work to put them, to get it on the lip. You do have to go over the lip a couple times so you could get the pigment on there. But other than that, like, they're really inexpensive and I think they're okay for the price. So I purchased the red and this mauve tone here. And this one is in fiery red and mauve. This Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner is in the shade Nude. This one I purchased it at the 99-cent store, and I don't really use these types of lip liners. I just don't like the fact that you have to sharpen them, but the shade itself is really nice. I just have to kind of reach for it more. The same goes for these two here. This top one is from e.l.f. and this is from the Dollar Tree. I purchased it because of a Dollar Tree video, but I haven't used it. And it's in this shade, and it doesn't even have a shade on it. And then this one came in a kit from the Amuse site, and this is their Wonder Lip Pencil in the shade Famous. So yeah, I really do need to reach for these more often, but I do own 3 pencil liners for the lips. Let me talk about pencil eyeliners. So the first one here is from Amuse, and this is the one that I mentioned in my massive drugstore haul recently, and this is their dual jumbo eyeliner, black brown. I love this. It's so good. I mentioned it a couple times and it's just that great. It's $1 and they're super pigmented, and opposed to the lip liners that are like pencil form that I don't like, these, like, it comes with the sharpener first of all, so that's already convenient, but the product itself is so pigmented and easy. It just glides on and it's just so good. So definitely recommend this. And then we have 2 of the Ulta Beauty dual liners, and as you can see, this one kind of looks like the one I just spoke about from Amuse, and then this one comes in bronze and plum. Now these I don't really reach for. I don't reach for this top one. This one is kind of the same as the Amuse one, where I could just use them and they glide on nicely. And yeah, but I wouldn't really recommend you go out and try to look for them or anything. They're okay. They came in a kit for $20. But yeah, but the one on the top I don't really use, but I should because this color looks really beautiful. But yeah, I have those. There's a brow liner and an eyeliner, and they're from Beauty Benefits, and these are good. They're just like, I'm not gonna reach for them. I purchased them for a Dollar Tree video as well, so they're just there. I don't touch them, but I mean, they would be easy to use up. I just need to start reaching for them. So the top 3 are their auto eyeliners, and those retail for $1. I have black, brown, navy, and black, and I love these. I always rave about them. They're retractable and they're really amazing. They come off on the eye nicely. They blend out nicely. I always rave about these, and they're super inexpensive as well, which is a bonus. And then this one here is newer to my collection, and it's also LA Colors, and this one's in lovely lavender. I feel like it adds a nice little pop of lavender and like purple on the waterline, and it just opens up the eye in a nice manner, so I really have been enjoying that. Then I have this eyeliner from Rimmel, and this one's really nice. I purchased this at the 99-cent store, and it's just a pink liner. I really enjoyed using this for a while, but I haven't really been reaching for it because it got to the point where I have to sharpen it, and I'm just kind of lazy like that, so I haven't touched it. But if I find my sharpener again, I found it and then I lost it, so I have to look for it again. But this is really nice, and also added a nice pop of color in the waterline when I had like those pink looks going on, or even like raspberry looks. Oh, it just looked gorgeous. So yeah, I need to find my sharpener. This is from Clean Color, and I've had this for years. I'm gonna have to get rid of it soon because I never touch it. It's just there, like, you know, it's something that I purchased a long time ago, and it's an eyeliner, but you can also use it as a lip liner. It does go really well with my LA Girl Blue Valentine lipstick, but I don't know, I just don't touch it. I forget about it. And then the last pencil eyeliner is this one by EBIN NY, and at first I thought this was a lip liner. That's why I purchased it, and I felt like it was really hard to apply on the lips, and I even mentioned it in a video, but this is an eyeliner, so that's how I've been using it, especially when I do my purple looks and stuff. So this one's really nice. It was a little tough to put on the lips, but when it is an eyeliner, so it went glided on the lower lash line and stuff. So this is really nice. Now let's move on to like the eyeliners that are dipped. So these are the ones that come with the little dip eyeliners. These are the pen kind of style, the pen style, and then we have the mascaras. So we're almost done. Let's talk about this one. This was sent to me by Romantic Beauty, and I mentioned it in a drugstore haul and stuff, and it's really nice. But it's a really nice product. It's really black. I did try this out in an Instagram video, and I really enjoyed it. So this is really nice, really inexpensive, and I feel like aesthetically pleasing to look at and have on my desk and stuff. So it's a really nice liner. Now this one here, I won in a giveaway, and this is by Rimmel, and this is their Scandal Eyes Bold liner. It has a little like ball at the tip, but I cut off the ball, okay? I thought it was gonna work better, but this is such a liquidy formula. I'm not the biggest fan of this. I just don't like it, so it's just there, but I am gonna try to use it up and get it out of here soon because it's just taking up space in my collection. So yeah, not the biggest fan of that. This one is by Amuse, and I got this on the Amuse site in a kit a while back, and it's okay. Also very, very liquidy, so I don't really reach for it. This one here is by Beauty Benefits, and it's from the Dollar Tree, and I did do a Dollar Tree video with this. Not the biggest fan of it. I feel like it was too liquidy, and you had to build it up quite a bit, so not the biggest fan of it. But it's there. I'm gonna have to try to use this up as well. So these are the, what are these called? These are the Dare to Be Bright eyeliner from the Beauty Creations website, and these are really nice. They retail for $4.99 individually and $20 for the set. So I did purchase a set, and I feel like these are so gorgeous. Some of them are a little too liquidy where you have to build it up quite a bit, but all of them are just so vibrant and nice. Like, it's kind of worth it. And like I mentioned before, I do want to do like an eyeliner video, but I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in. Let me know. But yeah, they're really nice. I've used them quite a bit now, but they're good. Definitely recommend if you see a color that you like, pick it up because it's a nice formula. Now we're gonna move on to the kind of pen style liners, and most of them are from the same place. So all of these are the Artista liners from the Amuse site, and these are so good, which is why I purchased all of them. And they come in brown and green and purple and blue and black. Like, they're just so good. So I definitely recommend you check them out, and they're only $1. They're pigmented. You have to shake them before use to get the pigment to really flow, but oh my god, like, these are really good. I always recommend them because they're just so nice. And I honestly haven't even reached for my black liners as much because I have these colorful ones. Like, it's crazy. Okay, so these two actually came in a set, and these are from iMethod, and I tried these out in an Instagram video. And these are nice. It comes with the stamp on one side and a liner on the other. I actually used it in my recent Not So Makeupy voiceover, episode 12, so you want to watch that down below. But these are so nice. So I have two of the L'Oreal Infallible Paints liquid liners, and they're both in white. I purchased one as a backup, and the other one It's nice. I haven't tried it. I think I tried it once or something, but I haven't reached for them as often as I thought I would. But I did see this cute little like TikTok of a white liner with a black kind of outline on the bottom, and it looked really nice on the person that was doing it. So I want to try that, but I do have 2 white liners. This Luxasa came with that palette that's like all purples that I purchased on Amazon. It's really nice, really black. I just don't reach for it as often. This one is the iMethod liquid eyeliner. Oh wait, oh no, oh man, I didn't even realize that. No wonder I haven't reached for it. This is it's a brow pen. I completely forgot. It's like those microblading situations that you guys probably have seen a lot of. Wow, no wonder I haven't reached for it, because it's like mixed in with my eyeliners. It is a brow pen, so I'll put it with my brow stuff. I completely forgot about this product. And then we have this Kiss liner, and this is the eyeliner slash lash glue. So this is really nice. Not the biggest fan of it, but it's good. It's good to have. I did want to do like a wear test with this. Maybe one of these days I'll do that and I'll upload it on a Sunday or something. But yeah, I have that. I also have this Black Radiance eyeliner, and this one came from the 99-cent store. They have a lot of Black Radiance now, and this one's okay. I feel like it's running out of ink already. Like I haven't really used it that much, but I have this. And then I have the LA Colors eye marker, and this is the brown one. This one's nice. You just have to build it up a little bit, but also really inexpensive. And they also have a blue one, which I wish I would have purchased, but yeah, I have this brown one and it's nice. Now this one's kind of in the middle, because this one comes with an eyeliner and mascara in it. I did talk about this and show this in my massive drugstore haul that went up a couple weeks ago, but I also mentioned this in a Instagram situation. Like I show it to you guys. It comes with a liner and a mascara in here. So this is a really cool item, especially for traveling purposes whenever we're able to do that again. But yeah, this is really nice. So I kind of put it in here opposed to with my mascaras. So that's all for the eyeliners and all of the brow products and stuff. So let me put this back. These are the most recent ones to my collection. These are from the Amuse site, and these are the AOA Wisp Enhancing Mascaras. We have the green, we have the black, we have the brown, and the blue, and these I've used quite a bit now and various like TikTok videos and on my YouTube channel. I've really been enjoying these. They are more of a subtle kind of formula, so they don't really like give you a lot of volume, a lot of length, but these are perfect for that everyday person. So I've really been enjoying these. Then I have this Black Radiance Full Effect Mascara. Like I mentioned, at the 99 they have a lot of Black Radiance now, so I did purchase this. The biggest fan of the wand. I feel like it's a little much. Like look at that, it's really big and it's just a lot. It's okay. I feel like the formula is a little dry, but for $1 or $1.99 I feel like it's an okay formula. This one's another $1 mascara, and this is a Beauty Benefits Flutterly Lengthening Mascara, and this one's from the Dollar Tree. And I'm sorry if it looks like darker in here. It's like this, it's the late afternoon, so the sun's already leaving, but that's the wand right there. And I feel like this one's really nice. It is a little liquidy, but it's okay. Only $1. Another one that's $1. I have a lot of dollar mascaras. This is from the Amuse site, and this is a Fat Lash Mascara. Now this one's one that I really have been enjoying. The wand is a little long, as you can see, but I really have been enjoying it. I just got some on my thumb. Awesome. My Lash Paradise, you guys know this is my baby. I just love it. It's amazing. So not a lot to say about that. It's amazing, incredible. And then this one I haven't touched. This is a Color Spell Lash Element Volumizing Mascara. I don't want to open it until I need it, because I purchased it from the Family Dollar, and I was like, okay, let me not open it because I don't need it. So I'm gonna use up my other mascaras first, but this is literally the only one that's not open. So I don't know how the wand looks. I don't know how the formula is, but this was like $2 or something. So that was it, and we made it to the end. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget, I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen and post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.